Hey guys, if your Wyze hub is showing offline in the Wyze app or your connected sensors have stopped responding, you're in the right place. This issue is usually caused by a temporary internet interruption, the hub losing communication with your router, an Ethernet cable that has come loose, outdated firmware, or a recent power outage. In some cases, the hub may stay offline because it hasn't fully reconnected after restarting or the network settings have changed. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. 1. Check that the Ethernet cable is firmly connected to both the Sense hub and your router. 2. Unplug the Sense hub for about 60 seconds, then reconnect the power. 3. Restart your Wi Fi router and wait until the internet connection is fully restored. 4. Open the Wyze app and install any available firmware updates for the Sense Hub. 5. Remove the hub from the Wyze app and pair it again if it continues showing offline.